Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study channel. Today we will know about the facts or events related to 28th April. Let's start. In the year of 1740 on this day, Maratha ruler Peshwa Bajirao first died. In the year of 1910 in England, a pilot named Claude Graham White flew the aircraft for the first time at night. In the year of 1914, on this day 181 people died in a coal mine accident in the Wesel area of West Virginia in the US. In the year of 1932, announcement to develop yellow fever vaccine for humans. In the year of 1935, on this day, underground metro train started in Moscow, the capital of Russia. In the year of 1937, Iraq's dictator Saddam Hussein is born. In the year of 1943, on this day Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose boarded a Japanese submarine from a German submarine near Madagascar during his visit from Germany to Japan. In the year of 1945, Italian dictator Benito Mussolini, his girlfriend Clara Petacchi, and his associates are assassinated. In the year of 1964, on this day Japan joined the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. In the year of 1986, the Soviet Union admitted 2 days after the accident that a nuclear leak occurred in Chernobyl, Ukraine on 25th April. In the year of 1995, 103 people died due to gas explosion in metro in South Korea. In the year of 1996, on this day, Australian gunman Martin Bryant shot dead 35 people in Tasmania's Port Arthur area. It was described as the worst firing incident in the country's history at that time, after which the arms rules were tightened. In the year of 2001, American businessman Dennis Tito becomes the first space tourist. He paid nearly $20 million for a 6-day space trip. In the year of 2003, Employee Safety and Health Day was observed worldwide. Laborers killed on the same day are also remembered. In the year of 2003, Apple launched the iTunes Store, allowing consumers to download music from the internet directly to their phones. In the year of 2007, Australia becomes World Cricket Champion for the fourth time by defeating Sri Lanka. In the year of 2008, on this day, Indian Space Research Organization created a new history with the launch of PSLV C9. In the year of 2020, on this day, Asian Development Bank approved a loan of US $1.5 billion to India to support its fight against the coronavirus epidemic. In the year of 2020, BRICS foreign ministers hold a video conference to discuss the COVID-19 impact on international relations. Indian Foreign Minister S. Jaishankar attended important meetings with his counterparts from the BRICS countries. The BRICS nations include Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. In the year of 2020, Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Y.S. Jagmohan Reddy launched the Jagannath Vidya Divina scheme at Tedepalli in Guntur district of the state. 4,000 crores were released under this scheme. Along with this, the pending amount of 1880 crores was also released by the former government. That's all. Thanks for watching.